Do you like that feeling of satisfying neck crack? Is it good or bad for you? Neck cracking releases some kind of gas bubbles in joints, but it's not without risk. Repeated forceful cracking can damage blood vessels in the neck, leading to reduced blood brain flow and sometimes even stroke in rare cases. Like this 30-year-old male who suffered a stroke after barber's massage. Occasional gentle movement is okay, but avoid habitually forcing your neck. See a specialist if you are in pain. Make sure to follow. I'll be sharing more health tips to keep your brain sharp and healthy.